It's no secret your heart health is important, but what if the key to a healthier heart starts with your mind?
Yeah, KHU11's Jalissa Garza shows us why one Houston doctor is sounding the alarm on the connection between mental and physical health and where you can find support.
Meet Dr. Paulraj Samuel, a cardiologist who's been practicing for more than a decade, making sure his patients' hearts stay healthy.
Cardiovascular disease remains the #1 killer of adults in America and globally.
But at one point, he started seeing a shift. Patients were coming in with symptoms that looked like heart problems.
Feeling things like their heart racing, or shortness of breath, or some degree of tightness in their chest. Of course, in many cases, these can be things that are showing up because of primary cardiovascular disease.
But more often than not, the root cause was something else.
Just in talking to them in our clinic, that maybe there were bigger issues going on that related to anxiety, depression.
Dr. Samuel wanted to help, but realized he didn't have a clear place to refer them. That's what led him to Mosaics, a nonprofit connecting people to mental health support.
It became immediately clear to me that this was something that I need to be able to access for the benefit of my patients.
Our goal is providing intervention and prevention before and after a crisis to ensure that people get to where they need to go.
From crisis calls to general guidance, Mosaics takes the time to listen, then walk people through what comes next.
So many times individuals don't know how to navigate it, and they're calling and leaving messages and not getting returned calls back. And mental health can get serious very quickly.
Their team is made up of experts who know how to match people to the right care.
They're all licensed clinicians who know the right questions to ask and can hear what an individual needs and knows what level of care or services that are appropriate.
And it's not just about finding any provider, it's about finding the right one.
Sometimes we've made up to 20 calls to find the right provider for a person that calls in for services.
And the follow-up to make sure people actually get seen.
If they call those providers within 48 hours, they'll be able to get an appointment. Then in 72 hours after that, we're following up to ensure, were you connected? If not, do you need additional resources? What can we do to support you?
And with every call, a personal touch. They send one of these hearts to remind people they're not alone.
They're synonymous with Mosaics. They represent how life happens, and there's broken pieces, and how beautifully we can put those pieces back together.
Dr. Samuel says ignoring mental health needs can take a physical toll, and partnering with Mosaics helps him actually get patients the support they need.
We have a database that has over 1,900 verified providers around the Houston, Montgomery County, Walker County, Grimes County, and Waller County area.
Beyond referrals, their mission is clear: end the stigma and care for both the mind and body. Reporting in Houston, Jalissa Garza, KHOU 11 News.